Hey guys, this is QiYi with a quick unboxing from Speed Cube Shop. This is my first 7x7. Just a quick note, this is my old camera. I've had problems with my new phone. So I've never touched a 7x7. This will be my first one. I was going to wait to get one for until I got better at 5x5 because I'm not that good at it right now. But this thing was on sale for $11 at Speed Cube Shop, so I had to get it. I also got felt squeegee. I do like to re-sticker my cubes. And a Cosmet mini mat. So let's get into the 7x7. This is 70 millimeters across. Cool. It is really smooth. Go ahead and do the checkerboard on it, like everybody else. Oh, it's gonna be fun. This is more like a time-consuming puzzle for me, just to pass the time. So there it is. Looks pretty good. This is QiYi QiXing. Thanks for watching.